Hi, welcome to thisreviewer.com. Today we are looking at a new product by Spigen, the Spigen Doorbell. We have just received the doorbell from Spigen and, well, it might not be the most intriguing product of the year, but it looked different enough for us to have a quick peek at it. And if we peek at something, we video it at the same time. So let's open it up. It's sealed with 2 plastic stickers and the box is a tight fit. Inside you'll find the user manual, the door chime, mains powered, the doorbell button, a small screwdriver, some screws with wall plugs, and a piece of double-sided tape, and that's what's in the box. As this is a UK device, the door chime has incorporated a standard UK plug in it. We have set up a HD mic to let you hear all the noises here.
Hello, welcome.
52 ringtones. Right. Let's do this to a little bit. Okay. Oh. Okay.
52 melodies and 4 volume levels. Let's open up the door button case. Use the included screwdriver to open it. There are 2 pre-drilled holes to attach the unit to the wall using the screws provided. Detach the plastic battery pull slip. Click makes this button light up in a cool blue. Let's put it together again. Let's plug in the door chime. A quick test, and yes, it works. This is a high quality product that works straight out of the box, and all batteries were included and installed. Always a good thing, as you don't want to open a new toy and have to run to the shops for new batteries. So that's the new Spigen Doorbell. Thank you for watching this reviewer, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great reviews.